The U.S. Air Force, in partnership with Northrop Grumman, has reached a pivotal milestone in the modernization of America's land-based nuclear arsenal. On July 20, 2025, the 717th Test Squadron successfully completed a full-scale qualification test of the second-stage solid rocket motor for the LGM-35A Sentinel Intercontinental Ballistic Missile, ICBM, at Arnold Air Force Base, Tennessee. This achievement marks another significant step in replacing the aging Minuteman III missile system, which has been in service for more than 5 decades. The Sentinel, once referred to as the Ground-Based Strategic Deterrent, GBSD, represents the next-generation technology underpinning the U.S. nuclear triad's most rapidly deployable arm. The new missile is slated to take over the role currently filled by approximately 400 Minuteman III missiles stationed across bases in Wyoming, Montana, and North Dakota. While some components of the Minuteman system have been upgraded over the years, much of its core infrastructure dates back to the Cold War era. The Sentinel program is designed to bring 21st-century capabilities to U.S. nuclear forces while maintaining the existing number of deployed ICBMs. The July test was carried out inside a high-altitude vacuum chamber, allowing engineers to analyze key performance metrics such as thrust output, burn rate, and the functionality of the thrust vector control system. These results are crucial for validating the missile's digital design models, which form the backbone of the Sentinel program's modern engineering approach. Brigadier General William S. Rogers, who leads the ICBM Systems Directorate within the Air Force Nuclear Weapons Center, emphasized that the test validates not only the motor hardware but also the digital architecture and development schedule guiding the project. This latest qualification test focused on the second of the missile's 3 propulsion stages and followed a successful first-stage test carried out in March 2025 in Utah. Data gathered will refine the missile's design, ensuring it meets reliability and accuracy standards while minimizing technical risks ahead of full-scale production. Further Stage 2 tests are planned under varying environmental conditions to confirm the system's durability and operational readiness. Beyond missile development, the broader Sentinel program includes an extensive overhaul of existing Minuteman III infrastructure. Upgrades and replacements will be made to launch silos, command and control facilities, communication networks, and support installations. Key operational hubs such as Hill Air Force Base, the Utah Test and Training Range, Camp Guernsey in Wyoming, and Camp Navajo in Arizona will also play a role in maintaining and testing the new missile system. Importantly, this modernization effort does not involve producing or handling nuclear warheads. Leveraging model-based systems engineering, the program allows engineers to virtually simulate missile behavior, enhancing prediction accuracy while reducing reliance on physical prototypes. This approach accelerates development and mitigates costly trial and error processes. With the successful July test, the Sentinel program continues on track to provide the U.S. military with a modern, reliable, and highly responsive ICBM system for decades to come, reinforcing the nation's land-based nuclear deterrent in alignment with long-term defense strategies.